everyone. So this is bee update number 5, I think. So a lot of you have seen my yard, the Japanese garden and everything, but what you don't know is there's someone behind some of this, and that is Sabrina right here. So Sabrina and I work together on making this yard incredible. We're planting bamboo, but we were talking about the bees. What do you think about the bees?
Oh, the bees are incredible. They're so friendly. They're happy to be here.
They're everywhere. So we're sitting here planting. We're using machinery, equipment, and the bees are all over us. They never sting us.
Never.
They're like pets.
Yeah, they're happy. They're happy to be here.
So now I don't have to get a dog.
on
I
your
have
shoulder.
thousands of bees surrounding me everywhere I go in the yard, whether we're eating up on the porch in the evening or whether we're down here digging, the bees are with us. They're like little dogs. They come around. They're like happy. It's crazy. We love the bees. Still on the gravy train. I don't know. Just don't have the heart to be mean. But it's kind of cool that they're hatching lots of new ones. And the new ones are a little black. They haven't got the coloration on the rear end like the other ones do. So it's pretty interesting. And they are just so active. Look at them. Can you see this? They're the most fascinating insect ever. Just incredible. And they're everywhere in the yard. Everywhere you go, they're swarming around you. It used to be if I saw a bee, I was like, Now I don't think anything of it, man. They ride with me in the car, in the Kubota. When I'm gardening, they're right next to me. Everywhere. They're everywhere in the yard. There's thousands of them. Everywhere you go on this 10 acres, there are bees everywhere. It's the craziest thing. And they never sting you. Of course, I haven't got the guts to take off my net right here, but I think they like me. I like them.